Welcome back to my channel mga bakukang. Our dish for today is pork adobo in coconut milk. Since we already preheat the pan, now we can add the pork right away. Now notice that I did not include the liquid because we will need it later. Now let's cook the pork until it turns light or medium brown. Make sure to mix it well so that all the sides will be evenly cooked. Halfway in browning the pork, you can add the butter. Take note, it's just an optional ingredient. If you don't have it, that's totally fine. After a minute, the pork is already brown. That's what we wanted. Now let's add the liquid marinade. Let's add some water to tenderize the pork together with the bay leaves and peppercorn. Then cover the pan. Continue cooking until the pork is tender. At this point, the pork adobo is ready. Now let's add the coconut cream. Now continue mixing. Add the green chili pepper and the potato. Cover the pan. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Add salt to taste. At this period, the sauce is already thickened. It depends on you if you want it like that. But if you want to be oily, which I also prefer, continue cooking until it extracts oil. That's how you make pork adobo in coconut milk. Of course, Filipino style. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment down below, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious dishes. Keep safe everyone, stay at home. God bless us all.